Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm coming to you with another easy manicure video using my customized gel color. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I'll get a mixing bowl and come in with a drop of white polygel. Next, I'll come in with some transparent polygel. Go ahead and give it a good mix. I'll come in with a pinch of chrome powder. I'll mix it up very well. So finally, this is what we have here. I'm satisfied with the shade. I'll come in with my electric file and file the surface of my nails. I'll make sure I file the cuticle area as well. The dehydrator and wipe off the excess powder on my nails. So I'll be using some fake almond nails, and I'm using them in the size XXS, which is really short. I'll come in with some nail glue and stick it onto my natural nails. I'll file off the surface and the edges to give it that natural look. So I'll come in with my customized polish. I'll give it a first coat, then cure it under the UV for about 60 seconds. Then I'll give it a second coat. Second coat will be thicker than the first one. I'll seal it off with a glossy top coat. In with some cuticle oil to help relax my cuticles. Here we are. Let me know, do you like the shade? Don't you like it? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye.